Did you buy them?
No, this is Kobey.
Oh, Kobey bought them.
I
I'm getting worried about him. Hey?
just do his ridiculous. I'll put this back afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
What have we got?
So this is the Maid girl figure set from Master Box, and he's doing those two, and I am going to do a competition with him. So this is what I'm doing.
You're going to do a competition?
Yeah, it's like a Kawaii fashion leaders.
So who's doing this one that I'm
Kobey.
pointing at? Kobey's doing this one?
Yeah.
And you're doing this one?
Yeah.
And you're going to help each other? Are you going to show him how to use an airbrush?
No, not really. We're doing brush painting for this one because it's too small. It's like
brush painting?
Yeah, brush painting. And I'm going to use different techniques compared to him.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure he's going to prime the figure with black and brush painting with the AK paint.
Yep.
There is a very good like skin tone set
Yes.
from AK. And I am planning to spray the pink primer first because it's like, you see, there's a lot of like vibrant colors on my
So you're going to use pink primer?
Yeah, I'm going pink primer overall. And then I'm going to use Vallejo as my brush paint colors.
You're going to use Vallejo?
Yeah, and this is the color palette
And which one's Kobey going to use?
He's going to use the AK skin tones, which is
he's going to use all the AK paints.
Yeah,
Right.
So basically we're different, like see which one gonna comes out like better. Because I'm pretty sure he's doing like using the very fine brushes, like going back and forward to blend everything, like blend them very smoothly and neutrally. But I'm going to use like a sponge, like the kind of makeup,
like the weathering sponge.
No, like a makeup sponge.
Oh, makeup sponge.
Yeah, those sponges can like blend the colors very, very well and smoothly. So if I do it correctly, it should come with the same result as airbrushing.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see like how I go with that. So this is the color I choose for the skin tone, like the palette. It's like I use the basic skin color as a base, and then I will add like the dark rose and also the old rose, dark rose as a shadow, and then using the light flash and the cream white as a highlight to create the gradient of the color, like the skins. And also, if I want to airbrush this,
are you going to beat him?
That's cheating in this competition.
What do you mean?
Brush paint only.
But are you going to beat him? Is yours going to look better?
It is.
Yeah. He's not going to be happy about that.
I know.
What color is this?
So this is the skin color designed by Mr. Hobby. So it's designed for the skin tones.
Is it designed to be airbrush?
Yeah, for airbrush. So this is the basic skin color from Mr. Hobby. As you can see, it's a very ivory, like very pale.
Very pale and almost very translucent.
Yeah, they make the shadow color very translucent to make sure it's like having the
real depth.
Yeah, depth of the skins.
But you're not using this one.
I'm not using this, but this is what I generally use if I airbrushing the skin colors.
Yeah,
it's very good to use. And we recently get some Tamiya airbrushes. I'm not sure which one he introduced.
These three he has.
These three, okay.
So not the same ones that you got.
Okay, that's good. Otherwise, I have no line for this time. So I found they have the 0.2 nozzle airbrush with the big cup.
Look at it, it's huge.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's a full 7 mil cup.
Yeah, that's very good for. That's very ideal for like anime figure painting modelers like me, because I always do a lot of like testing on the color card or sort of things before I really apply the colors on the bottle. So bigger cup give me more space for testing the colors. Like,
Yeah.
what if I
And the
run out?
consistency,
Yeah, which is pretty good.
So that's cool, and they're pretty well priced as well, aren't they?
Yeah, compared to Iwata, it's like a very affordable and with good quality
Airbrush. Yep.
Also, I'm very surprised we get the 0.5 from.
And this is actually looks like it's made by Sparmax.
I don't know why they have Sparmax and Tamiya at the same time on the box.
Which is some of Kobey's favorite.
Yeah.
He does love a good Sparmax. He's always banging on about it.
Yeah.
But I didn't realize they must also be friends with Tamiya.
Yeah, it's like a collaboration or something. Yeah.
And this is a 0.5.
It's 0.5.
What are you doing with that? You're going to paint your car or something with this? Oh my God, look at the size of the cup on here.
Yeah, right?
What are we going to empty in here? We're going to empty the whole paint pot. No?
Good for some big surfaces, like pots.
Holy moly, look at this.
Fancy.
How big is the paint cup on it? Do you know? 15 cc, 15 mil. There you go.
Oh my God. Yeah, here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
What a monster.
Right?
That's good. That means I could just put one color in there and do the whole thing. Done.
Yeah. Very ideal for car models.
Oh, nice movement too.
Yeah. It's dual action, same as other airbrushes we stock. We don't stock any like single action so far, which is
no. But this comes with the valve to convert it. Is that right? Is this the one or the other one?
I think it's the other one.
The other one comes with the valve.
Yeah.
Well, that's why Kobey was in here explaining that because he knows all about it, not just me. I just catch up on bits and pieces.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to rewatch this show now to learn about these airbrushes. So what are you doing with this one?
I'm gonna spray the metallic color because like I have
0.5.
because most of the metallic color and other special textured color paints should go to the 0.5. Otherwise, the nose are gonna get clogged. Yeah.
Gonna clog it up a bit.
Yeah.
Probably good for primer too, right?
Yeah. Good for
You
primer
could put
too.
you Mr. Color 500 through there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because my cheap 0.5 airbrush is clogged when I spray. Yeah. I kind of pissed. Like kind of pissed. So I'm thinking to
Get
swap
this one.
swap to this one. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And it's really well priced as well because these
It
can
is.
sometimes be a bit specialized and a bit
Yes.
expensive, right? If you get the Iwata ones, like
Yeah.
crazy, isn't it?
It's gonna be so waste of money. Like it's like it's not that cost effective for me. It's not.
No, not for doing primer.
Yeah, not for doing primer. I
But
think
some people will love it if you do a lot of priming, a lot of modeling.
Yeah.
The Iwata one is good.
Yes, it's gonna like. Otherwise, you have some random like clogged spot.
Luckily, we're just educating our viewers about airbrushes
know.
because you left all this rubbish here.
Yeah, well, what's this? What is this, Kawa?
This is the one that Kawa brought in.
Okay.
So she brought in to talk about it.
Mm-hmm. What do you know about this one?
0.5 dual action from Tamiya and Sparmax.
And the 15 mil cup, big cup.
Big cup.
Big cup. I'm gonna put
Not the 7 mil.
I can put my whole paint thing in there.
You could.
Yeah,
It's
and that's
good.
it. I'm done.
But then it's not thinned, so then it'd clog.
No, it wouldn't. I
Yeah,
just put
it
a
would.
few drops in there.
No, you
blow
said
the
you want to
bubbles
put the
through.
whole thing in.
Yeah,
You'd have to
then
thin
put the
it
thinners on.
50-50.
Then put the thinners on top.
Yeah, it'll
and then-
overflow.
Will it?
Yeah, a whole jar of Tamiya will fit in there, but then you can't thin it, so it's going to be super thick.
Oh, that's a bit crap. I was going to use it to touch up paint on my car.
I mean, you could. It'd still be pretty wide.
Wouldn't
If
it?
you're doing, like,
We could do the E36.
you could do the bumper of my car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll bring it
You
in
need
the
to do a
studio.
door. Yeah, bring my bumper. Boom.
do a tutorial.
No, this one, it has the same body as the DH3 and the DH4.
Oh, lucky.
The Max 4 and the Max 3. So I have the Max 3, and it's honestly one of the most comfortable, minimalistic handles to an airbrush, and it's super, like, the action on the dual action trigger is really smooth.
Really
it's not
smooth.
clanky at all. They've designed it really simply in there, so it just
Does it
trigger works
clean
nicely.
up well?
Yeah. I mean, I can't speak for this because it has such a big cup, but the design of the DH3, it has like a big reservoir in the bottom before the cup stops. Like it drops down into the bottom underneath the needle, whereas a lot of airbrushes have like a really narrow,
Like a European
spout.
toilet.
Yeah, like a European toilet. So, yeah. And this is like the Japanese toilet, just the hole in the ground,
The
right?
hole in the ground.
Yeah. Well, no, it's really good. I can speak for like how comfortable it is to hold in your hand,
Mm.
because it's the exact same body as a DH3. It's just they've like made the reservoir 5 mil, 0.5 mil, which is really good.
Massive.
There you go.